In the heart of the jungle, King Lion held a grand celebration, and all the animals came to enjoy the festivities. King Lion called for entertainment to amuse the crowd. The clever monkey stepped forward, full of confidence. He danced with grace and lightness, impressing everyone. But not everyone was happy. The camel grew envious of the monkey's praise. Confident he could do better, the camel pushed through the crowd. He rose on his hind legs and began his clumsy dance. He kicked and twisted, knocking into the crowd with his heavy feet. One of his kicks nearly struck King Lion's nose. King Lion roared in anger. Enough was enough. The crowd chased the camel away into the desert. Alone and humiliated, the camel wandered into the desert. The celebration continued as if nothing had happened. And so the jungle learned, do not try to ape your betters. Dear kids, some want to be stars, but forget their own nature. Because he tried to do what didn't suit him, he didn't prepare. He copied. It's okay to admire others, but don't lose sight of your gifts. In school, all the young ones learned, never pretend to be what you're not. It's better to cheer for others than to foolishly compete with them. Every creature has a special gift. The key is to know and grow it, not to copy someone else.